we can make things a lot easier with just a little imagination and a little trial and error. An ice scoop can help you get rid of wax stains, and toothpaste can get rid of those scratches on your furniture. There's always an easier way to help around the house without too much stress if you just put your mind to it. Today's video discusses the importance of good life hack, especially when it can save your sanity during your course. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Number 1. Baking soda and vinegar can help you unclog a clogged toilet or sink. Number 2. When your children draw on the wall, use a hairdryer to melt the wax. Number 3. Clean your sink with baby oil to get it to shine. Number 4. Seal open bags with old bottles. Number 5. A microfiber cloth can help you clean with just water to wipe off messes. Number 6. Add laundry detergents or etc. to your toilet tank to release a sweet aroma. Number 7. Clean things that need a good soak in a strainer or colander to help them dry quickly. Number 8. Run a squeegee over your carpet to keep it from looking flat and dirty. Number 9. Add baking soda to soap and water to help get the residue of dirty dishes. Number 10. Clean your faucet with a slice of lemon to help fight lime scale. Number 11. You can make your own cleaning solutions using vinegar and olive oil. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.